Hey everyone, in today's video, let's learn how to use the map function, which allows you to apply a function to each item in an iterable in Python. So dictionaries, lists, and tuples are examples of iterables. And let's see how you can use map with this example where we are going to calculate the cubic of each number in a list. So first, let's create the function cubic that will take a number argument and return number here. Okay, so we are calculating the cubic of the argument here in the function. All right, now we are going to create this list with 2, 5, and 10. Right. Now we are going to create another variable numbers cubics, and then we are going to use map to apply cubic to each item in the list. Okay, let me just print the number cubics here and then print list numbers list. Let me just explain the situation before. So what we're going to do here is using map, the first argument is the function name, and we have here cubic is the function name, and here's the same definition here. It's the first argument, and the second one is the iterable, in this case the list. So first the function name, then the list, right? So let's test if numbers cubics has the cube of each of these items here. Okay, so Python 3 map. Oh, I forgot to enter. All right, Python 3 map.py. So notice that map actually returns a map object. So you have to convert this object to a list or a tuple to print the actual results. So this is easily doable by doing this. So now we are going to actually see the results we are expecting here. 2, 5, and 10 become 8, 125, and 1000. This would also work with a tuple. So that's it. You know now how to use the map function to apply a function to every single item in an iterable. Remember, you can use these on dictionaries, lists, and tuples, or any other iterable that you might create for your code. Okay, so that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.